Hello, welcome to our demo video presentation. This video will demonstrate on how ArcMap user could perform geocoding activity using the ArcMap Toolbox tool. First of all, user need to install the tools by extracting the file at user's local disk. Once done, using ArcMap version 10.4 or above, connect to the Tools folder. Once connected, the tools will be listed at the ArcMap catalog. Click on Geocoding and user is required to input the data input file and the API key. The data input file is the data to be geocoded. Due to case sensitive, user must always ensure that the address column is renamed by an address. After inputting both data input file and API key, click OK to execute the geocoding. The geocoding status can be viewed at the geocoding dialog. When geocoding complete, the addresses point are automatically plotted on the ArcMap workspace. For better visualization, user could enable the map as background by enabling the SmartMap WMS layer. Add the SmartMap layer into the ArcMap catalog, drag the SmartMap layer into ArcMap table of content, and that's it! SmartMap as background map. The geocoded data can be viewed by clicking on the geocoded file at ArcMap table of content. The data is in shapefile format and is stored in the Tools folder at user's local disk. As can be seen, the geocoded data gives user the lat long, percentage accuracy, and the accuracy level. Clicking at each of the points, the detailed information is displayed. The detailed information is based on the information from the output geocoded file. Well, we guess that's all for the demo today. Thank you!